So you've heard with the Digital Florist app that you can send notifications out to customers that give them a tracking link so they can see where your driver is, they can get an ETA and when their flowers are going to arrive. For new instances, since we've created this feature, that will be part of the onboarding. However, for new customers, for older customers who've used us before, you may want to switch that on. So I'm just going to show you in a video how to switch that on. We don't want to just do it automatically for people. You may have, for whatever reason, not want to switch it on. So if you think it's a great idea and you want to do this, let me show you how to do that. So you go to settings. First of all, you're going to go to delivery. First thing you need to do is just make sure your customer tracking links is enabled. And we would also advise that you require background tracking of your drivers and make sure that's enabled, which means they can't start a run without having the background tracking enabled. And that's just because there's no point sending these links out if it just looks like the driver's sitting there when he's driving half an hour between stops. So this way it means they've got live tracking. Click update on there, and then you're going to want to go over to your notifications to make sure you put that button into the notifications that are going out to customers. So you're going to click advanced, scroll down to notifications, and then when an order is out for delivery, there's a little live tracking sticker on there. You're going to open that, and this is where, if you have your button, it will show, and it'll show here. Over here, if you haven't got it, you'll have this very easy way of adding it. So you can just pop that in there and hit that add tracking link button. Oh, it's actually chucked it on the bottom there. I guess that's actually fine, but you could actually just copy and paste that to move it where you wanted it. If you wanted it somewhere else, I can just pop it up there if I want to. And then all I need to do is save template, and then that tracking link will go out to my customer whenever the driver starts a run. So hopefully that's nice and easy for you to do, but as ever, if you do need any help, just don't hesitate to get in touch.